I'm just ballin', flossin', rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossin', rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossin', rolling through my neighborhood.
What's the other joint? What was the other joint we're looking at?
Okay, my will presidential, 10 presidential, money presidential, bitches presidential, everything black, so you know I'm presidential.
He gonna hook up in the front center, and he gonna pull at an angle that way.
Riding through the hood with my top down. She know I like it better when the top down. Niggas hating on me cause I'm hot now. No surprise, I know why I'm getting money. Yeah. It's a lovely day, so I'ma ride the city. Cup full of something to slow down my senses. The designer shoes cost a nice penny. That's $750. We talk Pacifics, that Rolls Gold compliment.
Yes, sir. Alright, so now we got the table put in. So this is basically the whole framework. It's all the framework for the outdoor sectional. Next I'll be getting the outdoor, the wood to do the front, the covering, and some plywood to cover the tabletop, box that in, and so on and so forth. But this is what we had today. So we made it. I'm done. I'm done for now. All right, it's a little clip. I'm gonna pick up with the audio from here, the voiceover from here. But you see what I'm outside. I'm getting to it over here, taking the paint. You know what I'm saying, with the paint gun. I started off with the little handheld battery powered paint gun I got off Amazon for cheap. It was like a little $40 paint gun that used a Milwaukee battery, but that mug wasn't layering. It wasn't layering like that. You see it in the background, in the corner with that mug wasn't layering. I had to pull the bad boy out, that gray coat gun. That mug just laying them slabs down, laying them bees down, man. I was able to get the paint done like way faster now. Yeah, so that's what I did, working my way through it, able to get all the edges, all the lines with a nice thick, a thick coating. So I was able to put that coat down. They say, because I didn't use no primer, no paint with primer. I used just the paint. And when I was spraying with that other sprayer, I definitely was gonna need another coat. But anyway, I was able to do it with 2 coats and get a solid finish. Now I'm over here doing the back patio. Because once I clear all the furniture out the way that I built, I was like, man, let me go ahead and wash the back patio down, right? This was a crazy day I did. Like, this is one day. All right, so I'm over here washing the back patio down, and because I was able to have the patio clear, and I go from back patio clearing, I'm like, you know what? Let me go ahead and restain the back patio since I got it clear, because I'm not gonna want to put the furniture right back up there. So now I'm over there restaining the back patio, putting another coat down on it, because I've been wanting to do that for a while too. And I was like, man, what started off as like me just kind of tackling 1% a day, 1% a day, just gonna knock out little tasks here and there, end up going to like a 20% day. Like now I'm doing like a whole bunch of work in one day because it just made sense. And then I actually go back in time right here. This video, I think it goes back. No, my bad. It don't. Yeah, this on that Monday. Yeah, so I painted the whole patio, put the furniture back down there on top of the rug, everything good. Now I'm focusing on the what you call that, the screening. I'm getting ready to screen it in, so I'm putting all the framing in for the screening. So over the course of 2 days. So This is today, which is Tuesday, day I'm doing this video, and I'm by myself today. I had my son with me doing the left side the first day, and I ended up just doing this because he at school, and I happen to have a free week, so so I'm taking advantage of this time, going and knocking stuff out, and then you can see the final result. You see all the framing done, completely framed up, the sides, all that's framed up. Now I just gotta paint everything black, and we're gonna be straight. Alright, so here's like a little overview, of the stuff I done did in this last little couple weeks or whatever. So you see, I done took the swing. That was a swing in the old swing video. Turned it to a day bed slash love seat. Built the sectional, of course. Got the whole sectional right here. Built up. That's the range I'm building for that. Also, these are all the framing that I'm put up. All the framing. Put the 10 up. All the under roof 10. I got 10 on the top and 10 on the bottom.